Right, let's go. You ready? Last year as a business, we came through one of the hardest years, and it was extremely hard for me as a founder. You probably read the headlines, you probably heard the opinions. It was tough, I won't lie. But the whole point of Founder Point of View is to bring you behind the scenes, to show you the messy middle, to show you all the challenges that you have as a business.
And doing these full takeovers and stuff like that, like they take a while for me to execute in terms of I can have people produce them overnight. So like we absolutely cannot scrimp on the 12-week lead time for them.
We're going to bring you on the journey with us, to show you what it's all about rebuilding and continuing to rebuild as a brand and a business 10 years on. It's a saturated marketplace. It is extremely competitive. The pressure to deliver, the pressure to show up is real.
Currently, we need to look at the buying side of things on if we were to put everything on the sea and then work backwards then based on the dates that we have to meet from a retail perspective.
We're on a journey of rebuilding after a couple of knocks last year. This is Founder Point of View, building a brand and bringing you on the journey. So it's January. I plan to meet with the leaders and align ourselves as leaders and setting the tone for the business for the year.
If there's a problem, we have to come straight to each other in the leadership meetings every week and discuss said problem. Fiona, as my PA, will track the problems and the blockers and the opportunities and the gaps and everything to do with the meeting. It's a big uphill climb. We've got numbers to hit.
We know systems is a big part of that. We need to make sure that that becomes more of an automated process than a manual process, how we communicate, how we report. I swear to God, we have about 20 different reports for the same thing.
I'm also going to meet with the marketing team and look at product launch calendar. We've got a product launching in February.
Hyaluronic acid, your glycolic acid, which is obviously going to act as your light exfoliant, support the barrier, calm the redness, your vitamin E to defend against environmental stress, and it's made inside Korea.
Here's the deal. It's a brand new category for us. It is skincare, prep for your makeup, and you're going to see everything from the very beginning to the very end in relation to how we roll a campaign out.
Making my tank.
Okay, darling. So right now, we are going to view a warehouse premises. Today we're visiting a warehouse space for Sosu Cosmetics. Myself, Dylan and Liz, our COO, are going to check out the space to see if it's a good fit for us. We also have a builder, Dave Larkin, with us, who's going to potentially whack it all out. Don't know if it's going to go ahead just yet. It's very expensive and there is a lot of extra rates on top of warehouse space. Let me tell you, rent is not cheap when it comes to commercial. Rent in general is not cheap, so commercial, can you imagine? But I feel there's some potential. We want to look at our TikTok from there, our B2C orders, B2B orders.
Photo shoot area? Look at my new product. Oh, cringe, sorry.
And as a business, you need storage. There's lots of fulfillment partners out there that we have worked with and we use. However, fulfillment can be very costly. It can drain your bottom line. And sometimes taking things in-house and doing it yourself is better from a business perspective. As we wrap up our very first episode of Founders Point of View, I just want to say a massive thank you for being here and following along the journey. I hope we've learned a thing or two and you stick with us throughout. It's going to get busy. It's going to get exciting. You're going to see everything and I'm really excited that you're here.
Trying to sit in space that we never grew in. Who are we? We are Lashes, Contour Snatch.
Why? The rebrand didn't fully land, energy drain, decisions started to feel harder because I was like, who am I, where are we going? I mean, the products are amazing, but how we show up and how we speak isn't us.
Stay tuned for more behind the scenes and until next time, hurrah.